almost all of you hit fades. I know Matt, I've seen you hit some draws out here. You've hit some pull draws.
Like snap foot.
Yeah. So you three especially, you know, have an open club face coming through at impact more oftentimes than not. So, I mean, you can dabble with that. Just try and strengthen. You know, when I'm trying to hit, I would say I hit, my normal shot is maybe a slight fade as well, which I have a tendency to. But if I want to hit a draw or a hook, yeah, I do strengthen my left hand quite a bit sometimes if I'm trying to do that. Yeah, that's one little easy way, just a little tweak in the grip that just gives you so much more ability. It might feel a little weird at first, but to be able to turn that club face over at impact. So you want to make sure you're getting that right hand turned over. Matt, for you, your left hand, as you're coming through the ball, kind of swinging out. Like you three are, you're not really coming over the top that much. Over the top, I mean, kind of making that move there. Y'all see that? So when you make this move here, you see what that does to the path of the club? The path of the club's going now, it's kind of going off. See how it's kind of cutting to the left? That's what you guys have a tendency to do more oftentimes than not. And if you strengthen that hand and kind of try and swing out to right field and turn the club face over at the same time, that's going to be how you hit a draw or a hook. Where you guys are kind of keeping the club face square, but your path is kind of going off to the left. You're kind of coming twisting almost. Does that make sense? You're swinging just slightly off to the left with a slightly open club face, and that's, you know, making that fade. Sometimes a slice, club face is more open. So really try to work on strengthening that grip, and let's try and kind of turn the volume down, as said. If you turn the volume down in your car, what move are you making? This right here. You guys bowl at all? If you're trying to spin a bowling ball from the right side to the left, you got to do this move here. Same thing, turn the volume down. You're getting that right hand turned over is what we're trying to do as we're swinging through the ball. Does that make sense? So really try and work on that. Let's try and hit some draws here. You guys, most of you have been hitting fades. Let's try and get through the ball. Try and swing out to the right a little bit more and kind of turn the club face over.